Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a template in Asana. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Asana account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and click on and go to projects. Okay. Now, once you're in here, just click on the plus sign to create a new project. If you already have a project, I'm going to teach you how to create a template out of a project. Okay. So just first up, let's go ahead and create a new project right here. Click on blank project. And here, for example, use this as a template. Okay. This is the project name, privacy, your workspace, or private members. Let's just go ahead and hit on continue. Now hit on create project. All right. Once it's done processing, go ahead and to edit your project. For example, I'm going to make this as a board. I'm going to add in some tasks right here, like make 100 YouTube videos. All right. Another one, create a thumbnail. Okay. Just for example, I'm going to add in some section right here. For example, doing, available. All right. And done. Okay. If you want this to be your template, just go ahead over to the template name. And here's the drop down. Just click on it. Now go ahead and look for save as a template. Okay. Just click on it. Now name the template if you want to. All right. If not, just go ahead and click on create template. As you can see here, it says creating project template. Just wait for it. Once that's done, go to the top right and hit on done. Okay, just close this one. The next time you wanted to create a new project, for example, when you click on the plus sign right here, hit on new project, you can go ahead and use a template and select that particular template. As you can see here. Now, if you have an existing project, just click on it. For example, this project right here. Again, I'm going to go to the project name and click on the drop down. And in here, we can just save it as a template. All right, there you have it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.